Let's start with exercise 6.1. First question, write the opposites of the following. First one is increase in weight. What is the opposite? Are we learning English here? Yeah, yes. Increase in weight, what is the opposite? Decrease in weight. B is 30 kilometer north, 30 kilometer south. The next one, 80 meters east, 80 meters west. Then loss of rupees 700, gain of rupees 700. Then 100 meters above sea level, opposite is 100 meters below sea level. Okay, what are we learning here? We are not learning opposites, we are learning integers. Okay, so first one, second one, 30 kilometer north, we if it is represented as plus 30, then the opposite will be represented as minus 30. So that is what they are going to tell us now. Okay, second question, represent the following numbers as integers with appropriate signs. Okay, so first one, an aeroplane is flying at a height 2000 meter above the ground. Okay, an aeroplane is flying 2000 meters. So if we say this is the ground, and if this we consider as 0 meters, then the aeroplane is flying 2000 meters above the ground. So this we say as plus 2000 meters. Okay, so ground or the sea level, everything we consider as 0, and whichever is above the ground or above the sea level, we consider it as positive. Below the ground or below sea level, that is written as negative. Second one, a submarine is moving at a depth 800 meter below the sea level. Okay, submarine is something which goes inside the water, right, deep inside the sea. Okay, it is moving at a depth of 800 meter below sea level. So in this case, the sea level will be 0, and this submarine is moving at 800 meters below sea level. So that we say as minus 800 meters. Okay. The next one, a deposit of rupees 200. Deposit means we are going to the bank and we are paying money. We are putting money in our account. So that will be positive. Okay, plus 200 rupees. Withdrawal of rupees 700. So we are taking out the money. We are removing the money. Okay, we are subtracting like that. So that becomes minus. Okay, rupees 700. So it becomes minus 700. The third question, represent the following numbers on a number line. So here we have a number line. Okay, I told you 0 I marked here. On the right side we have all positive integers. On the left side of 0 we have negative integers. Okay, so first one, where is minus 5? I'm sorry, plus 5. First one is plus 5. Represent the following numbers on the number line. First one is plus 5. So before this, I want to tell you, we have numbers here, right? Have I put positive? Have I put plus here? No. But still I say these are all positive integers. Why? Because I don't have to mention this as plus 1, plus 2, plus 3. I don't have to say. If there is no sign here, then it means it is plus only, positive only. But if it is a negative integer, we will have a minus before that number. But in case of positive integers, we don't say plus 3, we only say 3. So if I say 5, it is always plus 5. If I say minus 5, then it is here, it is a negative integer. If I just say 6, then it is here on the right side and it's a positive integer. So 1 is plus 1, 2 is nothing but plus 2. Okay, always remember that. So now we are going to represent the following numbers, right? First one is plus 5. So where is plus 5? This is plus 5. What about minus 10? Second one is minus 10. So here minus 1, minus 2. Here is minus 10. Third one is plus 8. So this is plus 8. Then minus 1. We have minus 1 here. Minus 6 is here. Okay, that was the third problem. Now let's do the fourth one. The adjacent figure is a vertical number line. I have drawn it here. This is a horizontal number line. This is a vertical number line representing integers. Observe it and locate the following points. They have given this diagram. Okay, they did not write the integers here. They just marked 0. You can just look into your book. 0 is already marked. Okay, and the marks are given but numbers were not written, and they have written this A, B, C, and this is all given in the textbook. Please have a look. Okay. So from 0, I have written 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, all positive integers on the top of 0 and negative integers all on the bottom. Okay, below 0, like how we saw here in these two problems. Okay, above 0 are positive, below 0 are negative. Okay, so now first one, if point B is plus 8, okay, point D is plus 8, then which point is minus 8? So we have minus 8 here. Point, which is the point here? F. F is minus 8. That is the answer. If G is a negative integer, is point G, this point is given, they have given this point G. Is G a negative integer or a positive integer? We have minus 6 here. So is it a negative or positive integer? It is a negative integer. Write integers for points B and E. B is here, E is here. What is B? It is plus 4. E is minus 10. Okay. Which point marked on this number line has the least value? E has the least value. They have not written this. Okay. Only till E they have mentioned it in the book. So according to this number line, which has the least value? Which point has the least value? I already told you, these are all positive integers, these are negative integers. This, as it goes down, it only decreases. I told you here, right? So from 0, it only decreases. Minus 10 is less than minus 1. Okay. Minus 2 is greater than minus 8. So we discussed all this. So now, which has the least value? The point E has the least value. Arrange all the points in decreasing order of value. So shall we write that? Decreasing order. Okay, so we have to start with the big number. B, C, B, A, H, G, F, E. Okay, this is the decreasing order. So from D it is decreasing and E is the least point. Okay. Okay, let's move to the fifth problem. Following is the list of temperatures at 5 places in India on a particular day of the year. Okay, they have given a small chart. Okay, Siachen, Shimla, Ahmedabad, Delhi and Srinagar, the temperatures are given. Okay, first subdivision A, write the temperatures of these places in the form of integers in the blank column. Okay, the first one is Siachen, 10 degrees below 0 degrees. So 10 degrees below 0 degrees is minus, right? So we write it as minus 10. Minus 10 degrees C. Second one, 2 degrees below 0 degrees. So we will write it as minus 2 degrees C. Next one, in Ahmedabad, it is 30 degrees above 0 degrees. So it is, we can just write 30 degrees C, or we can say it is plus 30 degrees C. 20 degrees above 0 degrees plus 20 degrees C, or just 20 degrees C. Okay, Srinagar 5 degrees C below 0 degrees. So that will be minus 5 degrees C. That is the problem. The B subdivision. Following is the number line representing the temperatures in degrees Celsius. Okay, I have drawn it here. Plot the name of the city against its temperature. So shall we mark it? So Siachen is 10 degrees below 0 degrees we wrote. So here this is Siachen. 2 degrees below 0 degrees, it will be here somewhere, right? It will be Shimla. Okay, then 30 degrees above 0 degrees Ahmedabad. Okay, here it is Ahmedabad. Then 20 degrees above 0 degrees is Delhi. Then Srinagar is 5 degrees C below 0 degrees. So this is, I am writing it here. Okay. So which is the coolest place? Coolest is the place where there is minimum temperature. Here in these 5 places, which has the minimum temperature? This one, Siachen, right? Siachen is the coolest place. This is -5, this is -2, this is -10. So -10 is the least. From 0 if we go, it is only decreasing, I told you, right? So Siachen is the coolest place. Write the names of the places where temperatures are above 10 degrees. So above 10 degrees we have only 2 places, Delhi and Ahmedabad have temperatures more than 10 degrees C. Okay, so this is the answer. Let's move on to the sixth problem. In each of the following pairs, which number is to the right of the other number on the number line? First one is 2 and 9. Okay, so which numbers, both are positive, right? So 2 will be somewhere here. Okay, 9 will be here. So which is on the right side? 9. 9 is on the right side of 2. Okay, so first one answer is 9. What about -3 and -8? In the case of -3 and -8, -3 will be somewhere here, -8 will be somewhere here, right? Which number is on the right side? 3. -3 is on the right side of -8. The next one, 0 and -1. -1 will be here, 0 is here. So which is on the right side? 0 is on the right side. The greater number is always on the right side. Okay. -11 and 10. Which number is greater in this? -11 or 10? 10 is greater. So 10 is on the right side. So whichever number is greater, that will be on the right side. -6 and +6. +6 will be here, -6 will be here. So this is on the right side, means this is bigger. Okay. Answer is +6. Then 1 and -100. 1 is on the right side of -100. -100 is somewhere here. 1 is here. Okay, which is on the right side? 1. So which is greater? This is 100, this is 1, but you are saying 1 is greater? No, because this is not 100, this is -100. Comparing -100 and 1, always 1 is greater. Okay, let's do the seventh problem. Write all the integers between the given pairs. Okay, write them in the increasing order. Okay, so now I have written down the questions. 0 and -7. I have to write all the integers between 0 and -7. So they are saying write it in the increasing order. So where should we start? I'm going to start with -7. Okay, I have to write the numbers in the increasing order. So between, so I'm not going to write -7. I'm going to write -6, -5, -4, -3, -2, -1, and then 0. And here we have -7. So in between -7 and 0, we have all these integers. Okay, I've written them in the increasing order. Okay, so this is the number line, right? Like this. So if you are feeling confused, you can refer to this number line. So from -7 will be here. From -7 to 0, I have written in between, I have written all these numbers. Okay. Now, -4 and +4. See, these are the numbers. So I have to write, I will start from -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, and 3. From between -4 and 4, what do we have? Here, this we have. So I have written that. -8 and -15. Okay, -8 is here. So in these two numbers, which is the lower least number? -15 is less than -8. So I will start with that. Okay, I'm not going to write -14. I'm sorry, -15. I'm writing starting with -14, -13, -12, minus 11, minus 10, minus 9, minus, that's all. I'm not going to write minus 8. So between minus 15 and minus 8, I have these numbers. Okay, you can use the number line when you are feeling confused. Okay, from minus 15, I'm writing numbers till minus 8 in the increasing order. Then from minus 30 to minus 23, which is least? Minus 30 is least. So I'm starting with minus 29. Okay, minus 28, minus 27, minus 26, minus 25, minus 24. Here we have minus 23. Here we have minus 30. So in between these two, we have all these integers. Okay, are you clear? Okay, let's go to the next problem. Okay, write 4 negative integers greater than minus 20. Write 4 negative integers greater than minus 20. Okay, so I'm having minus 20 here. They are asking us to write any 4 integers from minus 20 to 0, which are greater than minus 20, right? So 4 negative integers greater than minus 20. So you can write anything. Minus 19, minus 18, minus 17, minus 16, like that till minus 1. All these integers are less than minus 20. Negative integers, right? So from these you can choose any 4 and write. Okay, then write 4 integers less than minus 10. Okay, so minus 10, okay, from minus 10 I have to write 4 integers less than minus 10. So I can write minus 11, minus 12, minus 13, anything, minus 100, minus 1000, any integer, 4 integers which are less than minus 10. So you can write anything, okay, less than minus 10. Okay, the next one, for the following statements, write true or false. If the statement is false, correct the statement. Okay, first one, minus 8 is to the right of minus 10 on a number line. Is it true? Yes, it is true, because minus 8 is greater than minus 10, so it is on the right side. Okay, so minus 100 is to the right of minus 50 on the number line. No, minus 100 is less than minus 50, so it is on the left side. Okay, so minus 100 is to the left of minus 50 on the number line. That is the correct statement. Minus 26 is greater than minus 25. No, false. Minus 26 is lesser than minus 25. That is the correct statement. Okay. Okay, let's do the last problem of this exercise. Draw a number line and answer the following. So we have drawn a number line here. Which number will we reach if we move 4 numbers to the right of minus 2? We are here. Okay, which number will we reach if we move 4 numbers to the right of minus 2? So from here they are asking us to move to the right 4 numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4. So where did we reach? We reached 2. So the first answer will be 2. Okay, next one. Which number will we reach if we move 5 numbers to the left of 1? Okay, from 1, move 5 numbers to the left of 1. So from here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Where did we reach? We reached minus 4. The next, if we are at minus 8 on the number line, in which direction should we move to reach minus 13? We should move to the left. Okay. So your answer will be left. So from minus 8, if you want to reach minus 13, you should move to the left side. Next one, if we are at minus 6 of the number line, in which direction should we move to reach minus 1? Minus 6 is here, minus 1 is here. So we should move to the right. So your answer is right. So we have completed this exercise. See, integers, many children think they are very difficult. It is very difficult, right? Because it is a new chapter. Till now, you've been learning all addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. Then you started learning HCF, LCM. When some new topic is introduced to you, you feel it is very difficult, right? But it is not so. Integers are very, very important. Till you finish your school, college, everywhere you are going to use integers. So they are very important. So please watch the video fully, okay? And if you don't understand, I suggest you watch the video one more time or one more time, okay? You will understand very, very clearly. This is a very important chapter. So if you don't understand, if you have any doubts, please let me know in the comment section. I'll be glad to answer, okay? So in our next video, we will do the next exercises, and we'll do videos on operations of integers, okay? So take care, bye bye, share, subscribe, and please give a like, okay? Bye.